First line. India is a land of unity in diversity. Second line. People of different religions, languages, and cultures live together here. Third line. We celebrate many festivals with joy and happiness. Fourth line. Every state has its own traditions, food, dress, and customs. Fifth line. Despite our differences, we respect and help one another. Sixth line. The Indian Constitution gives equal rights to all citizens. Seventh line. Unity makes our country strong and peaceful. Eighth line. Diversity teaches us to respect different cultures and ideas. Ninth line. We should always live together with love and harmony. 10th line. Unity in diversity is the true strength of India.